was a very challenging project, 4 years time. From the groundbreaking now until the completion of the third stage, we experienced also change of the government, of the business environment here, and so consequently it has been a positive decision for us as a company. For me it was a very interesting time. Cooperation with Delta was definitely meaningful, fruitful, and finally also got the job done. Was very good technical supervision, was very good site management in general, but what we appreciated most is actually the understanding of a European mindset in this respect, to really understand we as a European manufacturer or automotive supplier, this was definitely the key decision-making factor for us to work together with Delta.